Hello everyone, this is my new house, and Toad is on the roof.
Hello everyone, this is my new house, and Percy is on the roof. Not Toad. Not Toad. Percy on the roof. What do you think? We got no more of this. We still got one. We got no more of this. We don't need it. And we'll have none of these. Or those.
Hey James, can I come in?
No. No, you may not. I don't like you. Or any diesels for that matter. If you're a diesel, you can't come in. So everyone, please tune in to the next episode of James and his house. This is my new house, not the old house. He's stealing my focus. Thank you. There we go. What is that? No, ow. Ow. What is Frog doing here? Get me out of here, please.
Oh, Toad! Yay!
Oliver, I'm going to kill you. You heard me, Oliver. I said I'm going to kill you. Right. Yeah, no, that's not happening. I'll take the trucks, though. Yay. Hey, Percy, why are you up here?
I don't know, James put me here.
Alright, this time, you're gonna listen to me, right? Tune in to the next episode of James. Good. Thank you. Ow. What the hell? No, James. Thank you.